Hi guys and welcome to another video. In this video I will tell you about the top 5 fastest trains running on the railway track in the world. Let's start our countdown. Number 1 is S103 that is manufactured in Germany in 2006, which has 8 wagons and has a capacity for 404 passengers. It can reach a speed of 217 miles and has a different equipment such as video screen and internet connection as well. Number 2 is AGV575, which is manufactured by a French company in 2008. It is designed to reduce noise and vibrations while operating. It can reach a speed of 224 miles per hour. It can carry up to 14 wagons and has ability to carry 400 plus passengers. Number 3 is JR500, which is a Japanese train which has manufactured in 1996. It has 8 wagons that can carry up to 800 passengers. Fourth one is CR400AF. It has been manufactured in China with the nickname Red Dolphin. It has 8 wagons and space for 550 passengers and can reach 217 miles per hour. Currently, this train is running in China and can reach Beijing to Shanghai in less than 5 hours. The last one and the number 5 is Trichy Duplex. It has a double-decker train which is manufactured in France in 1995. It has space for 510 passengers with 10 wagons. It can reach a total speed of 200 miles per hour.